Yeah, yeah, of course I can't hear you because this phone is dead. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today it's about time I repaired the battery for my Nokia 282. Basically it's the first flip phone made by Nokia. Or shell phone, is that term correct? I never had one of these, so I don't know the correct term. Well, this is the time when Nokia showed how to make stylish phones, you know, I mean look at this design, beautiful. And its battery is dead, completely dead, and I can't even start it. I managed to jump start it with some cables to the positive and negative, and the phone worked for a few seconds and died. Yeah, and this battery is pretty thick, but luckily I managed to find in all my batteries one that may fit here. So let's begin. Beautiful looking phone, isn't it? Even though it's a dumb phone, but back in the day it was something awesome. It has a scratch here, but well, annoying, but it is what it is. Only one little scratch. And extendable antenna for those zones with no signal. Get this out. It just fell on its own, okay. This is its battery, the BLP2. It's a 3.6 volts battery. I don't know how many milliamps it has, but this is the battery that I'm going to dissect and take its cell from. It's a BLB2. And if I remember correctly, it should be charged. Yep, lines to the top, baby. So before I dissect this battery, which is basically the same thickness as the one that I'm trying to repair, the pins alignment are different, but it won't matter since I'm going to use cables, no, or whatever is inside them. Let me take this out of the way and start dissecting this bad boy. Come on, yo. Right? I tried being nice so I don't damage the shell too much, but this was not meant to be disassembled, and in case you want to do this as well, don't try this at home. Especially if the battery is a bit charged, because it can catch fire. I have no other way, because this is a pretty solid plastic that fell. That fell somewhere as well. Yeah. Improvise it. It may look ugly, but it is what it is. I didn't even know how they made it, so I had to try something. You know. This is the part where I'm trying to be extra careful not to damage the circuit. Right here. Oh, there are two cells. Alright then. Okay. And here it is. This is what's inside. Okay, it's a good thing that it fell. Okay, it's out. So, by the looks of it, I'm guessing this is the positive side, because usually on the positive side of these types of cells is where you have these things, these like wires stuff coming out of the battery. And usually on the negative side, you have, I don't like that smell. Ugh. On the negative side, you have nothing here. It's just soldered to the shell. I don't like that smell. Take this out and throw it quickly to the trash. Be right back. Yeah, that smell was similar to rubbing alcohol. This is the positive side of things. Yeah, put this here. Now for the next nightmare. Maybe this one won't be so bad. Yeah, says me. Well, I don't care about this one. So, yeah. There we go. But on this one, I care about the cell, so I'm gonna be careful not to damage it. Actually, it's pretty well that it's made like this. I can just put it here, like so. Now, yeah, actually it will fit quite well. They both have the positive in this side here, yeah. All right. Gonna cut this from here. Well, that's somewhere in this room. I'm going to use some isolation band to, isolate it. Just being extra careful. Maybe it's not needed, but I am being extra careful. Now it's soldering time. Huh? What the? Did this whole thing just move from its place? What the heck? So I have to do, maybe I can do it like this. Yeah. You can just shove it in between the pins here and that would be the end of it. Huh. Alright. Alright. Just denting it in its place. As we now this thing better work. Ah, here's a problem. One of these pins are too much inside. This freaking pin just broke. Oh my god, no! That's something unbelievable what I have to go through. I have to be extra careful that those pins doesn't touch each other, in between them. Shall we? Okay, this is getting frustrating. Was that a 3.6 volts battery? Yes. Isn't this a 3.6 volts battery? Yes. Finally! Yeah, boy! Yeah, I just released it and it didn't press anymore. But this was another problem, the pins. Well, good thing I fixed that. Now all I have to do is put this back together. This is just to hold it in place, you know. Okay, now we leave it to dry. Well, it's dry enough. Was it like this or no? It was here. Yeah, here with the missing piece will be a problem, but this is how it's showing me because I have nothing else to do to it. Dang it. Well, what's the point of putting the sticker? Well, just to keep the voltage and battery model in case I ever need to find out again what model it is. It's as ugly as it can get, but it's a battery specifically for one phone only in my collection. Since it's thicker, it should stay in place inside it. And I hope it's making proper contact with the pins. What the heck? I just won't fit. The battery's too thick now, seriously. Well, it works. That's all that matters. Well, at least it's somewhat staying in its place. Let's hope for the best. Yep, boy. They changed the security code. Not a problem for now. At least I got the phone working. So yeah, I managed to start it. I'm happy. Let's listen to some sounds. So this is the Nokia tune. Nice. Well, finally done it. Thank you so much for watching. If you found it useful, please give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. I wish you a very awesome day just like yourself, and all the best. Bye.